कुछ बिटर बिट्स रहे हैं आपके लाइफ की वजह से आपके दिमाग में? Because you're not going to take goodness from all situations. Some situations where you take goodness, some where you take bitter.
So I give the benefit of doubt to people for a very long time. Like second chance, third chance. But मेरा एक snap आता है. After which मेरा trust गया ना, तुम जो मर्जी कर लो वो वापस नहीं आएगा.
Same.
When I reach that point, you have fallen down from my eyes.
And you can never go back.
Can never go back. So anything that you're saying, I'll still be very nice. I'll still be good to you. Because I don't need to be bad to you. But I will not trust you again.
Same. Extremely relatable for me. I don't know if this is relatable for the average person because this was a very harsh lesson of my 20s. Relationships में trust टूटा, professional life में trust टूटा. And there is a blacklist somewhere in my heart. कि अभी इन इंसानों से बात नहीं होगी. And it's not consciously created by me. वो बस है, blacklist पहले से थी.
So I am a little different that way. I may not trust you. I will not forget it. But I forgive. I don't hold the grudge. I'm unable to. Sometimes I've tried. Sometimes it's someone's like put me off to the extent that their name also affects me, all of that. But with time, that changed. And then I became indifferent. So I don't hold the grudge for very long. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब आप when you're holding a grudge against someone ना आप उस इंसान को power दे रहे हो to affect you.
Yeah. I'll थोड़ा give you a masculine perspective on the same thing. To talk about elements of grudge. Okay? क्योंकि ये भी कोई आपको कॉलेज में नहीं सिखाता कि ये सब जिंदगी में होगा, especially if you're going down a difficult path. Like I started so innocently and ambitiously कि दूर जाना है ये वो. You don't learn कि दूर जाते वक्त ये सब भी होता है. For me, a grudge is never about wishing bad for the people on my blacklist. It's just moving fully away from them. And removing access. Yeah. Like they don't have access to me anymore.
Don't hold a grudge, but I don't trust that person again. I can sometimes still care. मेरा तो वो भी हो जाता है. Depends.
Feminine perspective on.
पता नहीं यार. It's like if I have had some good moments with you, where genuinely we've been friends, and then you really behaved like an ass after. And एक दो बार I've given a chance, and then I realized कि ये तो इंसान ही ऐसा है, मैं गलत दिख रही थी. कभी तो दिखेगा ना. But उसके बाद भी I can still, if you need me or there's something genuine that I feel, I can still internally care, but I won't show. Yeah. Like I wouldn't wish bad for that person, like you said. कि हाँ ठीक है, it's nice. But I wouldn't trust that person again.
पता है ये जो मेरी blacklist है और जो आपकी blacklist है, you know your names on the blacklist. I know my names on my blacklist. ये सारे नाम ना, ये सारे जितने भी नाम हैं, ये अगले जन्म में लौट के आएंगे. To sort it out. That's what I don't want to face, but that's what the universe will make me face.
But I think I kind of sort it now only. I move on.
It's healthy. You're a mental health oriented.
If I have a fight with someone, it's important for me to say it out. I can't keep it inside. अगर मेरी आपसे लड़ाई है या आपने मुझे अपसेट किया है, it's important for me to tell you कि आपने मुझे अपसेट किया.
It's important for me to just strike off your face, name, memories.
No. I feel like communication always will either sort it. खत्म तो वैसे ही होना है.
ये जितने भी blacklist वाले हैं, इन सारों के साथ ना
communication
हुई है. Then some threshold has been crossed.
Then it's like, then the person, you don't need negative energy.
Yeah. I definitely feel जो मेरे negative phases of mental health है, few ये जो frills की बात करी, that's the very active conscious mind one. This is the subconscious mind shit. Like I feel कि मेरे 20s में बहुत darkness add हुआ है मेरे दिल में. Like I was a very
You were सीधा earlier.
Yeah, but also just
and then you realized reality.
Happy go lucky कहते हैं. Star One पे एक show था Happy Go Lucky, वो 2, you know? Anyway, never mind. But I was a definitely happier person. And also weirdly my life was a lot more fucked up then. Lot of addiction, lot of smoking up, lot of alcohol. वो सब गया है. physically I think I'm a little bit better, a lot better now. Meditation wise, shanti wise, I'm a lot better. Darkness wise, a lot worse because I've seen the reality of the world. ये reality कोई सिखाता नहीं कॉलेज में.
किसी कॉलेज में नहीं सिखाई जा सकती है. It's something that will come to you only with your own experience.
आपने ब्रह्मास्त्र देखिए.
हाँ.
उसमें अमिताभ बच्चन का जो कैरेक्टर होता है ना, वो गुरुकुल रन कर रहे हैं सुपर हीरो. वो मेरी एक ड्रीम है कि बुढ़ापे में मुझे एक लाइफ कॉलेज स्टार्ट करना है जहाँ ये सारे जो सब्जेक्ट्स हैं ये सिखाएंगे जिंदगी की असलियत.
But don't you think it comes with your own experience?
I think it can be.
आप अपने पेरेंट्स की एक्सपीरियंस से कभी सीखते हो? मुझे नहीं लगता हम सीख सकते हैं.
आई थिंक वो ना ऑटोमेटिकली आपको आपके चाइल्डहुड में लेसन्स सिखा देते हैं कॉन्वर्सेशंस. एटलीस्ट मेरे साथ ये हुआ कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल माई मॉम इज़ नॉट अ वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन एंड आई थिंक आई एम द मोस्ट कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन आई नो. वेयर इज दैट कम फ्रॉम? लिटिल बिट फ्रॉम माई डैड बट इट वॉज माई मॉम हू रियली रेज्ड मी.
Yeah, but she made you confident.
Yeah, so whatever was her weakness, she ensured that I don't have that.
Yeah.
And like I remember moments जहाँ मेरा confidence build up हुआ है. Like specific moments. किसी एक बार मैं कुछ बोधी कर रहा था स्टेज पे एनुअल डे में. प्रिंसिपल ने देख कर like they shouted at me, they came up to me, said that we're going to expel you from the school, ये वो, because I don't want to talk about the detail, but I was doing some absolute bullshit. और मैं बहुत demoralize हो गया. ये 8th standard में हुआ था. मैं घर गया, मैंने मेरी मम्मी को बताया. तो मम्मी ने पहले हल्के से प्यार से डांटा, बोला यू शुडंट हैव डन दिस, बट स्टॉप बीटिंग योरसेल्फ अबाउट दिस, लाइक यू नो, चिल आउट, लाइफ इज वेरी लॉन्ग, गो बैक टुमारो, गो विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, चिल आउट, गो टॉक टू द प्रिंसिपल, हैव अ कॉन्वर्सेशन. आई डिड एग्जैक्टली दैट, एवरीथिंग वाज फाइन. बट वो एक मोमेंट याद रहती है आपको जहाँ आपका पूरा मेंटल स्टेट नष्ट हो चुका है टीनेज में, एंड वन ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स और अ loved one has done something, and I feel कि that's where character is made.
पर मुझे कहीं ना कहीं ये भी लगता है कि आपका जो कोर नेचर है वो चेंज नहीं, कोई कर नहीं सकता चेंज. बहुत डिफिकल्ट है आपको खुद को चेंज करना, मतलब फोर्सफुली करना पड़ेगा. एंड आई वाज अ वेरी शाय किड.
Are you shy?
आई एम वे मोर कॉन्फिडेंट नाउ, बट मेरे अंदर से वो शाय किड है कहीं ना कहीं. यू फील लाइक नर्वसनेस, स्टेज फ्राइट बिफोर यू गेट ऑन स्टेज होता है. मुझे अभी भी होता है. आई मे मास्क इट, बट आई वॉज वेरी शाई ऑलवेज. आई वॉज अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट ऑलमोस्ट.
Doesn't come through at all now, even from both.
But I think when you put yourself in a situation that you're scared of again and again, ना, तो वो गायब हो जाता है एक पॉइंट के बाद. It's just most people survival instinct जो है हमारा, it doesn't let you put yourself in a situation that you're not comfortable in. You know, so you find reasons कि ये क्यों नहीं करना है मुझे. But I think somewhere I have always, if something has scared me, I've still put myself in that situation.
इसी वजह से कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा.
I think so. I think धीरे धीरे, मतलब मुझे शुरू में मेरा फर्स्ट रैम्प शो में रोती रोती आई थी घर वापस, because I f***ed up somewhere and my choreographer shouted at me in front of like some 10,000 people, and I started crying.
Shame.
Yeah, insulting, embarrassing, all of that. And I started crying. And the fact that I didn't do my job well. I think I've always had that.
Type A.
Yeah, so I started crying. My first photo shoot was not that good. I came back crying. My mom was like, this profession is for very thick-skinned people and very confident people. Like, I don't think you can survive here. You know, are you sure you want to do this?
ये शायद ना मीडिया का सबसे पॉजिटिव लेसन होता है. कॉन्फिडेंस एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आप बिल्डअप कर सकते हो.
कर सकते हो, genuinely कर सकते हो. I'm a live example of it.
कैसे बिल्डअप किया?
The fact that I went for another ramp show, the fact that I went for another photo shoot, I think वो एक स्टेप इम्पोर्टेंट होता है.
वो ना कि फॉल डाउन 7 times.
खुद ही करना है. हाँ, खुद ही करना है, कोई और नहीं करा सकता. कोई कितना मर्जी आपको फोर्स कर ले, आप नहीं कर पाओगे. You have to put yourself in that situation. चाहे वो स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस हो, लाइव ऑडियंस के सामने परफॉर्मेंस हो. I was always very nervous. I was nervous to, for the first time, what do you call it? Host a show. Any award show. I was very nervous. मेरे सामने opportunity आई, okay, and I could have said no, but I took it up. I think when you're feeling scared of something, some opportunity, I always feel you should take it up.
there's this quote, it goes like,
डर के आगे जीत है.
it's the more British version. The quote goes, where your fear lies, there is your task.
Yeah, you should always, because that is where that's outside your comfort zone. You know, and our mind is built for survival. It is built to tell you कि you're not protected because I don't know how to do this.
या आपने जो भी कॉन्फिडेंस के बारे में अब कहा, there's a lot more to explore.
Yeah.
Okay, this was one of the pre-planned questions for you. I'm going to summarize what you just said. आपने पहले तो कहा कि shame को use करो as a tool to grow in a way. You felt shame, but you went back.
And what did I say? From any experience, you can choose to take what you want. You can take it as a discouragement and sit down.
Respawning is a choice.
Yeah, that's your only choice. Situation is not in your hands.
एक और की लेसन आपके
lesson,
थ्रू
मैं
हमने
पता
आज
तो
सीखा है
बाबा।
कृति जी.
I'm like a Baba right now. Life lessons.
Fall down 7 times, get up 8 times.
Always.
Right? अगर एक और की लेसन, ये करियर लेसन भी है बट कॉन्फिडेंस लेसन भी, कि अगर आपके सामने कोई डरावनी बट बहुत ज़रूरी अपॉर्चुनिटी आ गई, पहले अपॉर्चुनिटी को हाँ बोलो, देन फिगर आउट हाउ टू डू.
How to do it. Yeah.
की
Yeah.
करियर लेसन
Yeah,
but
yeah.
also builds up your confidence.
Yeah. Because whenever you say no, it's out of fear. It's out of some insecurity or some fear or just being scared of failing.